Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern time on Wednesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day. And we have markets starting off to the positive side after quite a day yesterday in the markets. S&Ps yesterday were up at 2750, actually finished in the negative. Right now, we get the S&Ps positive by 22 points at 2664. NASDAQ positive by 63 at 8,075. The Dow up 155 points at 22,641. Let's start things off. We'll jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. There's your yesterday action. The high right around it at the open in the Dow, 23,459. We almost make it down to 22,253. You're talking about a solid 1,200 Dow points. And just even in the last 15 minutes to 30 minutes, these are 15-minute bars, I believe. Yes, they are. So there's your 945 bar. We were trading at about 22,841. We just dropped about 150 points in the Dow, 22,665. NASDAQ 100, 8,086, bouncing along the lows of about 8,000. Whether it was yesterday at about 6 p.m., overnight, we trade a bit higher from 545 this morning. S&Ps 2665, we're above 2680 right after the opening bell. There's your crude oil market. Crude was under 24, just popped about $1 in the last hour from 23.85 to 24.94. And there's your gold contract trading up a bit, 16.8941, and the euro US dollar trading at 108.80. In terms of what else you have happening out there, stories making headlines. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, this happening yesterday, $250 billion more in small business aid. A Senate vote is planned for Thursday. We're getting Pelosi and Schumer pushing for an emergency coronavirus bill with at least $500 billion more in aid. So this is a further step, an additional step in fiscal stimulus. Hopefully that comes to fruition. Weekly mortgage applications sinking nearly 18% as coronavirus causes homebuyers to back away. And jumping around to what else we have happening, how about the VIX this morning? VIX 45.24. We bounced along at about 44 yesterday for the lows. Similar lows made on Monday. Seems to be about a floor at that 44 level in the VIX right now. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We got oil inventories at 10:30. Then, of course, we got Fast Market by TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim at 11. Alex Coffey, Kevin Hinks and the team at TD Ameritrade Network. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.